Vitality Blue Lotus blend. Now, this is cooling, invigorating, and bright. This blend helps combat heat fatigue if you're boiling, and is also a great way to battle those midday slumps. Blue Lotus Oil's calmness balances the brisk energy of the citrus and the mint. So let's look at the ingredients. The first is 25 drops of Blue Lotus Oil. We've now got 20 drops of lemongrass, 15 drops of peppermint, and lastly 10 drops of sweet orange. You're going to fill with fractionated coconut oil if you're using a rollable, or with water if you're popping it in your diffuser. Now let's take a look at how we would use this amazing blend. If you're using a diffuser, pop in 5 drops. That's all you need. And if you're using a rollable, apply it to your temples and the back of your neck. If you can and feel like treating yourself, make sure you go to bluelotusoil.com. All of our bottles are made to order, and we are the gold standard for Blue Lotus Oil. Authentic, potent, and the highest quality.